in the best of your health. Today, I, Rishit, is going to teach you how for the first time, if you are doing so. When you will open Word, this is the screen you will see. This is the screen you will see when you open Word first. The word I am using is Excel 2019. Over here, you can see that there are many templates. You can search for any type of template and get templates because there are thousands of templates. Let us start with a blank document. When you would open a blank document, this is the screen that you would see. Over here, you can see your ribbon. As I told you, this is the ribbon. And these are the tabs: Home, File, Insert. When you will open Word, this is the ribbon over here you see. As I told you, ribbon consists of various tools. And above the ribbon are the tabs: File, Home, Insert, Draw, and etc. In the File tab, you have options of editing. It is just like the first screen that you saw, including more options than the home screen. You can click on Back. In the Home tab, as you know, there are formatting effects, effects for text, and all. In the Insert tab, you can see that option of adding table, pictures, shapes, icons, and etc. Using Insert tab, you can insert any sort of thing in your document. In the Drawing tab, Draw tab, there are many types of pencils that you can use to draw anything on your board or on your document. For example, you can see that I am drawing anything over here, and to erase it, you can use the eraser. In the Design tab, there are various types of designs tied to your document. There are the layouts of the document, the margin size, the orientation size, columns, etc. In the References tab, there are references which you can use and insert in your data. It also includes the headers. In the Mailings tab, you can select mail recipients, you can start mail merge, you can create envelopes, etc. In the Review tab, as I told you in the Excel video, it shows all the spellings and grammars and looks at the word count. In the View tab, you can off your document. Suppose you can put it on Read Mode view, which will display it something like this. But I have no text over here. That is why it is not in this. To go back, you can just go over here and then press the print layout to come back to the normal. In the Help tab, as of course, you can contact the word experts. And over here, you can type any function that you want to use. Suppose I want to use font size. You can see font size came over here, and I can change my font size from here. and many more things. You can see that there are many ways you can edit the text. There are many font size and fonts which you can use in your text to make the text look good. Suppose if I want, I can use this symbol, and if I type something, you can see how the moves when you type something. Let me come back to the normal one only. Calibri. Calibri is the basic text font which will appear. You can also change the color of your text by using this color fill option. Using this option, you can change the color of your text. Suppose by putting green, you can see how it changes. You can also put word art. Word art is something which has custom text, which is customly made and looks nice. It has some special effects added. Suppose if I do this, you can see how it changes. Suppose let me put some better. You can see how it changes. If I add something else like this belt and be the font size, just see how it looks very nice. This was using word art. I used to align your text. These are called alignments. You can use text to align your text in the left side, center. If you're writing the best, this would be the best choice. Or it aligns the text in the center of the page. You can use right alignment and also use Justify. In using Justify, you can leave the task of alignment to computer. The computer can make decisions on how to and where to align your text. This is called bulleting. When you write data in point, it is important to put bullets, as there are many bullets. As you can see, how like if I move my cursor over there, you can bullets would look. You can add any one bullet, type your text, and if you press enter, you can see that another bullet would automatically appear. In this way, you can write in pointers. This is called numbering. Using numbering, you can number your text in the same way you bullet it. Suppose I use this and I increase my font size. For that I would need to select this. But let me increase the font size. And then I can use any of my bullets. And then if I write any text and press enter, you can see that the bullet will automatically as per you type. Called multi-level list. Suppose you have subtopics. For example, subjects. In science, you have many subjects like physics, chemistry, etc. So they fall under science, and science falls under the subject. In this situation, you can use multi-level list. If I write some.
for the basics. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.